excited today. What happened?
Mom, for the first time, I passed my homework. I passed all of it.
Are you Wow! Are you serious? And I was even saying I didn't help you with your homework yesterday.
Well, I guess I would have failed if you had assisted me.
Did you just insult your mother?
No.
So tell me, what's the miracle? Or should I say that you're now catching up?
Mom, it was Auntie Amara. She helped me with the assignment.
Auntie Amara?
Yes.
Ah. Okay, I should thank her, right?
Yes, Mom, she's good.
Okay, fine. I will do just that. So, okay, go up. So you freshen up, okay? Your food is ready.
I can't believe I passed my homework.
It's crazy. I don't know why it's just me making decisions for the company. No help, nothing, just me.
Oh, but Jake, I don't get it. What is your secretary and your business advisor doing about this? Man, you can't be doing this alone. This is when you need them most. In scenarios like this.
That's what I have to do. I've never been so disappointed. Yeah, we need to sit together. Like, of course, a family and so whatever we have at hand, but it's just not, my brother, you won't understand. You won't understand. It is what it is.
Yeah, it's okay. We'll just find a way to figure things out, okay?
Yeah. So,
My dear Annabelle, all you have to do is to start trusting and believing yourself. And I want you to also start knowing that no one can do it better than you.
I'm scared.
You don't have to be scared. I'm here for you. Solve the questions. Anyone you didn't get right, I'll correct you. Okay. Solve this.
She's intelligent. This girl is intelligent, yo.
Hi, baby. You're welcome, my angel. How are you?
I'm fine. Mom, I passed all my homework without any assistance today.
Are you kidding me?
Yes. Auntie Amara taught me how to solve all of them without any assistance.
Wow. Are you Oh, congrats. Are you kidding me? I'm so happy for you, my darling. You did this yourself?
Yes.
Jeez. I can't just believe it. I can't believe it. Like, Amara helped you? I wonder how she did the magic. But you've really improved in your academics and I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. My baby, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So tell me, what will you eat? And before then, I'll make fruit juice for you. How about that?
Yeah.
Amara, my daughter has been telling me the miracle you've been doing in her life. And I can see that too. Thank you so much.
Ma, it's fine. I'm just happy she's succeeding.
Well, I almost gave up on her. But I thank God you came around.
Give up on her, Ki. Ma, you don't have to be. Right from time, I've always known that your child is a brilliant and intelligent child. And I'm sure that one day, she will make you and her father proud.
Amen. Oh, thank you so much. I promise I'm going to reward you for this.
You don't have to be. Don't forget, I am a teacher by profession, so it's not a...
Yeah, you're right. I remember.
so which is why you're going to be tutoring my daughter henceforth. So I'm having you hired as a private teacher, and I'm going to pay you for that.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
You don't need to thank me. It's a way of supporting you, okay? I know there are jobs in this country are quite hard to get, okay? But I'm going to make sure that you receive a good pay. A pay that will not be compared to the normal school teachers out there, okay?
Hey.
So, look, what I want is to make sure that my daughter improves. You're already doing a good job so far. So I want you to intensify it. That's the reason for this.
So I will not disappoint you, sir.
Alright, we'll see to that.
Dad, thanks for what you just did now. I love you.
I love you, so can't be anything for you, my baby.
That's okay. Just go in there, fix something for us to eat, okay?
See you really like her.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
What? Amara has upgraded from being a security officer to a home teacher. Hey! Awamo. She's teaching the child. Okay, for no. Gonna adore my son. Amara should have been a graduate by now. As if not for anything, she should have been in the university. No money. How? Why won't she teach the child more than the mother? Amakalo is the big man. Some people can beat you. Oh, just time and life happened to the person and the person improved. I trust my child. Oh. Proud brother moment, okay? I understand, my son, I understand. Tell her to keep it up. She should keep making us proud. You don't change it. Yes, my son. No problem, I will call her. Oh, at least let me congratulate her. No? Oh, one bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye. Oh. Hey! I'll go for go. Small. Before you know it now, she'll be a professional teacher.
She's intelligent. This girl is intelligent, yo. The joy of her mama. You are intelligent, you know, girl. Special girl. Amaka is intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Joy, yo. Gallant soldier. When I dey shake at all. She dey intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I dey shake at all. Wakaraka. Strong and mighty.
Careful, sir.
Gallant soldier. When I dey shake at all. She not dey shake at all. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I dey shake at all.
So, this is where we'll be having our tutorials.
I don't understand. In the kitchen?
Yes. You know, there was a day you told me you want to learn how to cook. And that is a good idea. It's not every time we learn how to solve maths and studying English. You need to do something different. And a lady cannot become a woman if she does not know how to cook. So today, I'll be teaching you how to cook.
Really?
Yes.
I would most love it.
I know you will. But wait, we'll have to start with the dishes. You will learn how to wash. I'll teach you how to wash first. So come, let's go. Yeah. Start. This is a soup. Cook it first. Like this. See, the plate is neat now. Are you seeing it? See how neat it is? Then you drop it there. Now wash that one.
Wait. Seriously, you made this?
Yes, Dad.
Don't joke. Tell Daddy the truth. Who made this?
She's not joking. She made it herself. I was there when she was making it. If not, I wouldn't have believed it.
You made these yummy noodles? Oh, wow. So tell me, who taught you? Is it Mom?
No. Auntie Amara taught me how to cook.
Yes, here am I thinking that my baby is still small to enter the kitchen and cook. But no, Amara proved me wrong.
Come here. This is proud daddy moment. Wow. Okay, so it's the next thing is soup. Did you learn soup? How to make soup?
Not in my kitchen.
No, she hasn't really made soup.
How are
You don't collect salary.
Salary. It's not my salary. Oga give me this money to appreciate and thank me for teaching his daughter how to cook.
Yummy. Amara, wait first. You go teach Oga Pikin how to cook.
Is it a bad thing?
It's a bad thing, no? It's a bad thing because you won't sack yourself. Yes.
How?
Now let me explain it in detail. If you keep on teaching Oga Pikin how to cook now, and the girl can't sabi cook, them go see you as useless person now.
No now. So because of that, now I should not teach that small girl that will soon grow up to become a woman how to cook. No, it's unfair.
Yes, yes, it's unfair, but at this point it is fair. You don't have to teach her. So let me tell you something. They will sack you. And by the time they sack you, your eye go clear. Because they will start using their pikin to cook for free.
Let them sack me now, but it will not stop me from teaching that small girl how to cook. They want to sack me, they should sack me, but I have to teach that girl how to cook. It's not a bad thing.
I won't beg you something. Hide this money. No show your madam before you put yourself for trouble.
I don't show madam already. And she did not see any negative thing. She did not see any bad thing. You see, you're the one that just overthinking this thing. There's nothing there, please.
Wait first. You don't show madam this money. And she not talk anything.
At all, she don't talk anything.
Amara, that silence mean everything.
Jake, my guy. What is happening now? You've been so happy recently.
My guy, happiness is free now. Yeah, but you're right. You're right.
So how far the business proposal now?
My guy, this is not business proposal. I'm just happy that part of my life worry has been solved. You know, the thing is, my daughter has not been doing well in academics. You know, she's not really been. But Amara came into our lives and changed everything. You know, which I'm happy.
I don't understand, Jake. Who's Amara, please?
Amara is our new housemaid. You know, just employed. You know, a couple of not quite long.
You mean new housemate? I never knew you had an housemate.
Yeah, like I said, we just not quite long we employed her. She's very, very intelligent, my brother. Very, very intelligent. She has done a lot this few weeks. She has transformed my daughter to something else. You will not believe it.
Well, you know, this is strange, Jake. You know, normally things like this, you always tell me. So how come I don't know you have a housemate now?
Well, it just happened like that. Yeah.
Okay, Jake, you know I don't trust you, Sha. I hope this won't bring problem between you and your wife.
Nah, my wife is fully aware of everything. She is fully aware. She's very, very happy that the girl is doing a lot for our daughter. As parents, we are excited and we are happy. My wife, come on, but guy, they say you don't trust me. I can't cheat on my wife now. Now you they talk like this.
I just they talk my own now because all of a sudden you don't get housemates. Like, Jake, I don't talk my own, no. No do nonsense, so.
I mean, they disappointed. Say you think negative. You keep doing this.
Oh my goodness, your hair is so beautiful.
Thank you.
So you went to buy that hair?
Oh yeah, I
You
had
can't let
to.
me know.
I'm sorry.
That's not fair.
Don't worry, I'll get one for you.
Excuse me, I know you will not. You're very stingy. You're a stingy friend.
I'll definitely get one for you.
Is that a promise?
I promise.
Okay. Oh, thank you, Amara. Thank you so much. That's the girl I was telling you about.
She's young and sexy.
Mm-hmm.
And you didn't see anything wrong with that. Remember Abigail's matter?
What are you talking about, Nkechi? Please, don't compare this girl with Abigail. She's an innocent girl, for crying out loud. You see this particular one, she's a good cook, very respectful, above all, very intelligent. You need to see the way she transformed my daughter's life.
Nancy,
Yes.
can you hear yourself? As in, really? Good. These praises you're showering for who? A mere housemaid? Just know what you're doing because your husband will soon have interest in her.
Kechi, please, I don't need to reply that. Just eat. Okay?
Nancy, you're playing with your marriage. You're playing with your destiny. Oh.
Can you please stop? What did you call it? My marriage. I'm in charge. So please eat your fruit.
Well, if you say so.
I said so, baby girl.
It's all right. So what about Annabelle?
Oh, she's in school.
Ah, okay.
Baby, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Just leave me alone.
Baby, you know I cannot leave you. It's not possible. I'm sorry.
Jack, leave me alone now. Leave me. Ah.
It's hard to leave you now.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
goodness.
Please. Please. I'm sorry.
What is wrong with you? Of late, you've been finding unnecessary faults around me, and I don't like it. Just let me be.
It's not possible. I can't let you be. I'm sorry. It will never happen again. I promise. Please.
Okay. I've heard you. I've heard you. Can you please let me be?
I can't let you be, baby. You know it's been long we made love. Haven't you missed me?
The thing is that I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood. Just.
Baby, it's been long we made love. Can you say?
Oh, I am not in the mood now.
But I'm in the mood. I've missed you. I've missed us.
Please just sleep. I am not in the mood. Let me sleep. Please. Let me sleep.
Hi. How can you say you're not in the mood? See what you're doing. Just see.
I guess that's all for the night. I need to retire to my bed. Don't forget, always read your Bible before you go to bed. And I'll be bringing out chapters for you to read every night, okay?
Okay, Aunt.
Good night.
Why not spend the night with me? I could use your company.
My company? No, I'm going to distract you. I want you to sleep on time, okay? Relax. I also want you to read this Bible again this night.
Then we can read together.
No. You know what? No need. You don't need to read the Bible again. I've read it for you. So, just go and sleep so you can wake up on time. Don't forget tomorrow is school, okay? Maybe during the weekends I can sleep in your room. But today, you need to sleep alone so you can wake up on time tomorrow. Good night.
I think we just need to get someone else because this is not the right logo now. I explained, something that carries weight. Like when you see it looks classic. These ones are not a good logo for the company at all. Come on, man. I'm surprised you're saying this. You know that color is not workable. It doesn't represent the brand. It doesn't represent the company's legacy. We need something more projecting. So those colors are just not working. Okay, let's keep searching. Hopefully we'll just get something right. We can't obviously send it without the company's logo. We need to have all of that outlined and sorted before we can send our proposal. All right, that's fine. That's fine. Let's just keep our fingers crossed, okay? So I'll forward you everything you need about the file. In case you have any questions, just call me. Oh, perfect. Okay then. All right. Okay, bye.
Sir. Yeah. Hi. Sir, I'm sorry for encroaching into your privacy, but I overheard you talking about the color you use for your business logo.
Yeah? Do you have a problem with that?
No. But why not try black and gold?
Why do you think I should try black and gold?
Because those are the iconic colors used for luxury brands. Black represents power, elegance, and mystery, while gold represents wealth, prestige, and luxury.
That's impressive. Nice. That was nice. Really nice.
Yeah.
How come I haven't thought of that? Of course you're correct. Black represents. Oh my God.
Babe, you look so happy. What's going on?
You okay?
I should be asking you if you're okay because you look happy.
Yeah, so I'm happy, babe. You will not believe my long time puzzle has been solved.
What puzzle are you talking about?
No puzzle. I told you now that this project I'm meant to finalize, but I'm finding it difficult to finalize it. You will not believe who helped me.
Oh, who?
Amara. Amara helped me solve the puzzle.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Amara.
Amara. Unbelievable, right? Amara helped me.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
I swear down. Don't look down on anybody.
Of course.
Yeah. She helped me with the colors, like, you know, the color selection on the...
She's intelligent. This girl is intelligent, yo. The joy of her mama. You are intelligent, you know, girl. Special girl. Amaka is intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Joy, yo. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. She dey intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. Makaraka. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. She not the shake at all. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all.
What's going on now? I can't even recognize you anymore, my guy. The way you make intelligent decisions now, it's so amazing.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah, there is something you're not telling me, oh.
My cufflinks, I took off now.
Oh,
It's my shirt cufflinks.
are you sure you didn't fall?
Oh, my brother is all thanks to my new housemaid. Yeah.
Wait, your new housemate.
Mm-hmm.
Are you trying to tell me she's the one behind your decision makings lately and all?
My dear, that girl has been doing a whole lot. I won't lie, she's doing a whole lot. She has changed my life so much that, you know, sometimes I wonder what I would have done without her. Not like really like that, but you know.
Jake.
No, don't think. Don't even think negative. It's just on a professional level. Professionalism. She's just, you know, just like that. Just
Remember, you're talking to Sam. I'm your guy.
Of course, now that's the reason you have to believe me. I didn't tell you as it be. No. Don't think like that. So it's all positive vibes and nothing else.
Well, no problem if you say so. But remember, don't get too excited, though.
Nah, not at all. What is going on? So here, this is all you need to know. Sure you can?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you can?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So just let me know how everything goes. Okay?
Okay. Take care, sir.
Alright.
Amara. What? Papa.
What's up?
Amara,
Huh?
when do you start to dey play with fire?
Fire.
Yes.
You see me play with any fire?
Wait, no, God been they show you. Do you know that in wife been they watch you and I could see the anger in her face?
But you were just teaching me how to write and, you know.
I don't care about the explanation, Amara. I don't care about the explanation. This is not the rightful place for God to show you that kind of thing. You understand? Waiting, I won't make you know be say you they play with fire. Amara, you better stop.
Brother, it's okay. Why you getting angry for no reason? Eh? Please, I beg.
I know say you could. Aya. I'm here, you know. Yeah, way. Whoa! This girl they play with fire.
Come here. Come here. Ma? I said, come here. Okay. Ma? Amara, ma? What were you discussing with my husband?
No, nothing, Zoga. He gave me this file. He said I should drop into the document side.
And what? And what? Listen to me. Let this be the very first and last time I will see you in a private conversation with my husband. Are we clear?
Yes, ma.
Get out. Out of my sight!
She said you took the file from her.
Yeah, I did.
So the auditing she's meant to finish up, did you do it?
I read nothing.
Why? So why did you take it from her when you know you're not going to do it?
I took it from her because she is getting close to you for my liking. What is wrong with you? These days, the only thing you do in this house is Amara this, Amara that. Amara helped me with this, Amara helped me with that. Nothing else. What is going on, you?
Wait. I cannot believe that you're actually saying this to me.
Yes, of course. I am saying this to you, Jack. What is wrong with you? You hardly do anything in this house. The only thing you do is Amara. You don't have my time. You don't have my daughter's time. What is really going on? Even for us to have sex as husband and wife, it is a problem. Does it mean you're having it with her? Yes, since you're not getting it from me, then you're getting it from her.
Oh no, I can't stand here and listen to this bull crap. For Christ's sake, this is the most stupid thing I've ever heard.
Go on.
Since I got married to you.
Go on!
Thank you.
That is the only thing you know how to do. Insult me. Insult me very well. I know your problem. You're sleeping with that girl, but listen to me. My body is important. I don't want to contact any STD because I am going to kill you. Kechi, you're right. You're right. My husband is cheating on me. He cheated on me. I knew it. I told you, didn't I? But you wouldn't listen. How will you blame me? How will you blame me? She deceived me with her innocence. Not knowing deep down she's just like Abigail. So you should know what to do, right? I don't know what to do. That's why I called you. As it stands now, my whole heart is shattered. I am devastated. I don't even know what to do. My husband barely touched me. He barely touched me. Yes. All I want is suggestion. Please, can you bring up something? Can you suggest anything at all? I need to save my husband. I need to save my home. We'll find out the way, okay? We'll try. We'll look for something, anything. I'm confused. You don't have to be. You don't have to be, please. What about the shoe?
Black.
Okay, black and pink, okay? I'll get it.
Ma, you said for me.
I want you to go in there, pack your things, and leave my house immediately.
Mom.
Stay out of this. I'm not talking to you. Get in there, pack your things, and move.
Mama, I'm sorry, I'm confused. What have I done?
You're sorry, you're confused, you're asking me questions. I said, leave my house this minute.
Ma, please, I beg you, don't chase me. I don't have anywhere to go to. I beg you, please don't chase me out.
Are you mad?
Ma,
is it that you can hear me? Is it that you cannot hear me? I am talking to you and you're kneeling. I said, get out! Get out! Out of my house! Idiots!
Mom, this is unfair. I'm not happy with you.
Rubbish! You're asking me what you have done. I've not done anything. I don't understand. In my own house, you're stupid. Move before I meet you in there.
Hi. Hi, Amara. Amara, you don't see waiting, you don't put yourself into. Amara, be don't tell you, say, slow down in this house, you know, great. Amara, slow down, say you go put yourself for trouble, you know, great. Amara, tell you, say, I sabi who my madam is. I sabi who that woman be. Amara, you know, great. Now you've seen where you've landed yourself.
But tell me, what did I do? I did not do anything. I don't know why she has decided to punish me this way. I've done nothing. I didn't do anything. I did not do anything. I did not do anything.
I know say you don't do anything. That bad ache is not in our blood. But that going closer, is the thing that is making her to suspect you. But it's okay.
No, it's not okay. You don't understand. It's not okay. Tell me, where am I going to go to now? Eh? What am I going to do? I don't know why my life has become so unfortunate and so unlucky. Just when I thought I've gotten a decent job, now this happened.
Hi.
Eh?
Okay. I'm sorry. Hi. I am hurt too because you are my sister. I am hurt because this is happening to my sister. But we don't have any other choice. You have to start going
to where? If you think I should go back to that village, it will not work. I cannot go back to that village. I cannot go back. What am I going to tell Mama?
Hi.
She would not believe that this is not my fault. Eh? She would think I have betrayed her. She would think I don't know.
Calm down. See, even if you don't, where will you go to now? No, now you have to go back. When you go, you give her phone and we explain to her that it's not your fault. Because you cannot stay here and you cannot stay for straight.
Mama will think I have disappointed her. Eh? She will not believe.
Hi. What am I going to do now?
I don't know. Help me now. Help me. I don't know.
Calm down. Calm down first.
I sent her away.
You sent her away? You sent an innocent girl away for doing nothing?
Which innocent girl are you talking about? No, which innocent girl are you talking about? Yes, I sent her away because I don't want what happened with Abigail to repeat itself again in my house.
Are you being serious right now? Since when did you start being stupid? You sent her away because of Abigail? Do you listen to yourself? Are you not sounding so dumb now?
Oh, really?
Oh, yes!
No problem, oh. You can call me whatsoever you like. But the thing is that she has gone back to her village. Let us go there and start carrying her weapon up and down, not in my house. She will not seduce my husband in my own house. That will not happen.
For you to condescend me so low because of Abigail? Because you think that I would cheat on you with her?
Don't change
you
the
disappoint
topic.
me.
Don't change the topic. I am not talking about Abigail. I'm talking about that little girl because I see the way she's
You sent her away because of Abigail?
Yes, not because of Abigail. I see the way she's looking at you. Every time she's looking at you. Before you know it, she will start touching you. You will start doing all manner of nonsense in my house. Not under my roof. She has to leave. She has gone back to that village and that's fine now. Thank you. Thank you. Rubbish. Can you imagine? In my own house. That little thing, never, it will not happen.
You're not dressed for school?
Good morning, Dad. I'm not going to school.
Why?
Mom sent Auntie Amara away, and I don't know why she did that. But I decided I'm not going to school.
Well, Mom's decision is not really what I want either. But then, she's your mom. We really don't have to contest that. She has her reasons. Okay, but I'll look for a way to talk to her to see if she can change her mind. Okay?
Why not? That lady changed my life positively. She even helped you in your business. I don't know why Mom will hate her for being a nice person.
Well, your mom knows better. You never can tell. I will try to speak to her to know her reason. And I'll also try to speak to her to see if we can bring her back. Okay? I'm not disputing the fact that, yeah, she's actually very supportive. But then, She's your mom, so let's see what will happen after speaking to her, okay?
I don't
All
want to
right?
go to school.
No, you have to go to school. Don't you want to make daddy happy? Let's go. Come.
For the past 13 years, I've been married to Jack. I have never seen him behave like this towards me. Yes, I know we do have our differences, but we do sort it out. But this particular one is different.
You know why? Because he's in love with her. I mean, you're lucky to have sent her away when you did. Otherwise, your home would have been wrecked by now.
My daughter even resets me over him. My daughter hardly talks to me. My daughter don't eat except she sees my husband. And even my husband don't eat anything I cook.
That girl caused more damage than I thought. She almost took away your man. Well, you have to be patient with your man. So to recover from whatever spell that girl casted on him.
Spell?
Yes.
Do you think she casted a spell on my husband?
I think so.
Are you sure it's not my fault? I haven't been of help to my husband or my daughter. Or maybe I deserve what happened because I've not been fit and intelligent.
Nancy, what are you saying? You have been living peacefully with your husband before this girl came into your lives. So this is not your fault. Don't blame it on yourself. Don't. You just have to give your daughter, your husband time to get over her and heal from all this. I promise they will come around.
Are you sure?
Yes, I promise.
I just miss my home.
I know, I'm sorry.
I miss my home.
It's okay. They will come around. Stop crying. Everything will be fine, okay? That's right.
Whoa! Are you for real? First position? I can't believe this. Mathematics. Excellent. English. Excellent. Creative act. Excellent. Are you sure this is your result? Oh my goodness. Come here. I'm so happy for you, my daughter. I'm so proud of you. Like, this is good. I can't believe this. Like, for real? Oh, come here. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you, my daughter. Like, you cleared all your papers. This is good. This is good. Come here. I'm so happy for you.
All thanks to Amara, who has been there preparing me for this examination until disappointedly sent her away.
Where are you going to?
I'm leaving.
You're leaving?
Yes.
How come I'm just hearing about it? Where are you going to?
Yes, I'm leaving to go save my business since that is all I've got now.
What do you mean that's all you've got now? So you mean you don't have me?
No, I've never ever had you. It's been you alone. Just you doing your stuff all the time. You don't care about me. And let's not act like you do because you know I'm saying the truth.
Did you just say that to me?
Oh yes, that is true. That is true. Let's call a spade a spade. That is what you've been doing. You've never cared about me. You've been selfish. The only girl that helps me out during difficulty, you've chased her away. You've chased her away for doing nothing. Since you married me, what have you been doing? You've only cared about yourself and yourself only. So please, you better just go out there and face the business because once that flops, then I'm finished.
I just can't believe you just said this to me.
Why are you acting like... Okay, as a couple, when last did we make love? let me start from there. When last did you assist me in anything I'm passing through, like in my job? Have you even cared to know what's going on with me? Did you even care to know? Do you even care to know what is going on with me? You don't care. You only care about yourself. When last did we make love as a couple? Has that ever happened? Or you tell me you're tired, you're this, you're that. Even when you manage, after several weeks that you manage to say, okay, let's do it, it's usually boring. Boring.
Is that why you cheated on me? Is that?
Well. Coming to the part of cheating. God knows it wasn't my intention. But if I was getting everything I'm supposed to get from my wife, maybe I wouldn't have fallen for that. I wouldn't. But no, I don't get it. I'm more like a single man when I have a wife. Yeah. So somehow, yeah, that led to it. Have you thought about how you treat me? Have you thought about it? Since we want to say the truth, we want to be open. Let's be open and talk about it. If you play your roles, your responsibility as a wife to your husband, do you do it? Do you do it? You don't. You don't do it. You don't even go to the kitchen sometimes to even assist. You leave everything for the maid to do. Mercy.
Oka.
Open the gate.
Okay, Oka.
She's intelligent. This girl is intelligent, yo. The joy of her mama. You are intelligent, no girl. Special girl. Amaka is intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Joy, yo. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. She dey intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. Makaraka. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. She not the shake at all. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. Vigilante, for better security. Amaka wa kwado sigo, akwado la fama. Any yawa for the road. She must arrest them. Any curricular movement, yo. She must arrest them. She not take to go chacha. She's ready for any crime at all. Amaka kwado. Bad people know their rest. Evil people know they tire. Every day na 40. One day na for the honor. These people know they tire at all. They make use of a simple melody. She's intelligent, strong and mighty. Gallant soldier, when I can shake at all. She dey intelligent, strong and mighty. Gallant soldier, when I can shake at all. Makaraka, strong and mighty. Gallant soldier, when I can shake at all. She not the shake at all. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier, when I can shake at all.
The man left the house. But he came to look for you. So how is the wife taking it? Crying does not kill, you know, but she should have tried. How is everything going in the house? I hope people are eating. Tell her she shouldn't worry, her husband will come back. Ofurifu. And how are you? How are you doing? Anya sao. You have to be careful. Before you hear it, I'll go for. So how is the baby? How is she coping? Please look out for her, oh? Take care of her. I know. Oh, I will call you again to know how things are. Bye-bye.
Mom, where is Dad? Where is he?
Dad. Dad is gone.
I don't understand.
Dad left us.
You made him leave, Mom.
No, that's not true.
Of course. Now we are all alone. I did my dad back.
I did not.
Jake, what did you just do?
I just blocked her.
Blocked who? Nancy? Your wife?
That's it, son. I can't. I won't do this. Please. Please. Just let me be, okay? I'm seriously going through a lot right now. This is the least of what I want to talk about. Please.
Oh, come on, Jake. I know you're angry. Oh, you know she has a daughter for you. And you are going too extreme with your actions. Just calm down, my brother. Your daughter, I'm sure she'll be worried about you now.
Please. Nancy hurt me. What about my daughter? Nancy sent away the girl that has been helpful to me, my job, and my family. Of course, our daughter. And she sent her away because she's been insecure. I can't live with someone that doesn't trust me. I can't live with an insecure woman because you're supposed to trust me. I trust her. So what is hard for her to do the same?
I understand you, bro.
No, you don't understand. You don't understand.
But I'm just concerned about that little girl, bro. I'm just concerned about her.
She'll be fine.
For the sake of your daughter, we need to sort this out amicably.
My daughter will be fine.
Jake, you need to stop this. Your daughter will be wondering where you are at the moment.
Oh, stop this thing now. I came here to chill and not this. Please. If you want me to leave, I'll leave.
But you know I'm your friend, okay? And I want the best.
You know what? Let me just go, okay? We'll see later.
Okay, Jake, just relax now.
Bassy, please come.
Madam, I'm here.
Bassy, did he tell you where he was going to?
No, madam. He did not tell me anything. No. He just come on like that. I even approached him and said, "Sir, where are you going to?" He no answer me. Madam, please, what is going on?
Bassy, what about your sister? Has she reached out to you?
Madam, the last time when me and him talk for phone, she say she there for street, say she dey find new work. I say okay, I can't call him again to find out if she don't see the new work. But her number come there off. Madam, I know say this her going don't make your husband vex well. But at this point, madam, no vex. No be say I won't advise you. But my little opinion is that as a wife, you are the one that is going to handle the house now. Please call the house to order. Gather the family, mold it again, and make it lovely the way it used to be. And I am very, very sorry that because of my sister, this thing happened. It builds my heart.
You don't have to be sorry. It's my fault. It's not your fault. Okay?
It's my fault too because now me bring my sister. I'm sorry. Making me emotional. I'm sorry.
Just go back to your post.
Okay. I'm sorry, ma.
Hey, Oga. Look the phone well now. Now better phone. Now just last week I started to use them.
Nothing concern me. As long as it don't enter your hand, no be your hand today. No, fairly use now. Na Belgian phone be this.
Oh yeah, give me 100,000. I beg.
How much you talk now? Make I know how much you want sell am.
100,000 tell me your price, how much you want buy am?
Huh? Yeah. How you dey do like that? 100,000 for it for Belgian phone. Yeah.
Belgian phone no, na just 1 week I don't use them.
You know, concern me, no matter as long as no be your hand e dey. No be your hand dey.
Yeah,
Wetin you dey
how
talk?
much you go do now?
The thing be say you follow me more go see my oga first. My sure. Come first. Come.
Where the wrong go now? Wait! Hey! Wait!
Yes? How did you get my number? You said what? She left the house. So where? No problem. I'll try to call her to see if she can come back to the house. No problem. Just I'm wondering how you got my number. Okay. Please be careful with her. Take it easy on her. She's just but a child. No problem. I'll try to get across to her. It's a bad draw. Bye-bye. How did she get my number? Where did my daughter go now? Where? Hey!
Hi, baby. Dinner is ready.
I'm not hungry.
What do you mean you're not hungry? You have to eat something.
I said I'm not hungry. Just leave me alone. Leave me.
My love, what have I done? Why are you this upset? Why are you so angry at mommy?
I want my dad back. You made him leave. I don't want anything from you.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You're calling her number is not connecting. How she's alright? Why would she leave the house? To God knows where. Ha! Do you know any of her friends? Does she have friends that come to the house? So how do people look for her and get her now? Wow! I don't want anything to happen to my child. I don't want anything to happen to my child. I don't want anything bad to happen to my child because a man declare. I will not take it. Try and call me back. Let me know the situation of things. If it means me coming to the city to find my child myself, I will come to the city. What happened? Amara. Amara, hope nothing bad has happened to you. Please don't do this to me. Don't. Please, I'm begging you. Don't do this.
Nancy, what's wrong with Annabelle? She looks so sad and unwelcoming towards me.
She blames me for sending Amara away and my husband leaving the house.
I don't understand. Leaving the house?
That is why I called you. Jack is gone. Jack left this house with his bag.
Jack is gone? Oh my God. Has he gotten to this?
It has gotten to this, oh. It has gotten to this. My home is shattered. My daughter don't talk to me anymore, and my husband gone.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Nancy. I can't believe this has gotten to this. I'm sorry. Have you tried reaching your husband on the phone?
Yes, I did. But my husband blocked me. He blocked me. He's nowhere to be found. Oh, my own husband blocked me.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Nancy. This is all my fault. I take the blame. I advised you. Probably your husband is cheating on you. I'm sorry.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault.
Sorry.
You advised me and I took it. It was optional. I took it. And I went and confronted my husband instead of trusting him.
Oh my God.
I used my hand to scatter my own marriage. And now he's gone. He's gone, no.
I'm
Nobody
so sorry,
to talk
Nancy.
to.
I'm sorry.
Look at my daughter, she cannot even say a word to me. She cannot even talk to me. I'm alone, no, I'm alone.
Sorry, don't say this. I'm so sorry. Let's look for some solution. Let's call his friend. Something.
Which friend? Friend that cannot even tell me where my husband is. I am finished though. I am finished. If you need anybody to call for me.
I'm sorry.
That is why I called you. You have to help me. As I am now, I don't know what to do. I regret all my actions. I wasn't a good wife to your father, and that drove him away. It cost me my marriage. I actually was jealous that Amara took your attention and that of your father, and it made me to chase her away. I wish I know where she lives. I know where I can find her. I promise I would have brought her back to the house, but I'm sorry, I don't know how to go about it. I also wish I could turn back the hands of time. Please, just find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please don't turn your back at me now that your daddy is gone. You all have got. If you leave me, I will die. Please just give me a second chance.
It's okay, I forgive you.
I promise to make things better. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for all I did. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
He's still in town. He hasn't left yet.
Do you know where he is? Please tell me. I want to see him.
He refused telling me his exact location. Maybe he thinks that I will tell you. That's the issue.
Sam, please. Please, I beg you. Please, I want to see him. I miss him so much. The daughter misses him. Just tell my husband to come back home.
I know, just calm down, okay? It's unfortunate what happened, but I believe that everything will be sorted out, okay? Please, stop crying.
Sam, please, you have to help me.
I promise you.
Just tell me when next you go there, you will tell him that he should come home.
I promise you. I will do my best, Nancy, okay? But I want you to stop crying first, okay?
I miss my husband.
I know. Please, just relax yourself, okay? Everything will be alright. Okay? Please. You don't need this right now, okay? Everything will be sorted out in due time. Okay? It's okay. Just relax yourself. Please.
please, can I make use of your phone?
Annabelle, what do you want to use my phone do now?
Please, can you reach out to my dad, please?
Go and meet your mother now.
He won't pick my mother's call. Maybe he will pick yours. Please, I really need to speak to him, please.
Annabelle, I don't have network. Yes.
So I just want to know if she's fine, wherever she is. God knows I have tried. I have done everything possible to make sure that, I bring her back, but it's just not working. So I just want to be sure she's okay wherever she is, But she's obviously not okay because she's no longer in position with her phone.
My God, this is really serious. I just hope she's safe because this is so troubling.
Yeah, it's troubling. You see, I had someone that works in telecommunication to investigate about her lost phone, but it was tracked to a thief.
A thief?
The thief confessed that he snatched the phone from her. Yeah.
Wow. This is really serious, don't you think so?
I don't think so, Samuel. No. The way I feel right now, I don't know. That girl is I'm doing everything because she's a good soul to me. I pray she's safe. I pray she's really safe.
Yeah, I hope so too, like seriously, because I'm just worried too about the whole situation and everything. But I'm very sure she'll be fine.
I just pray she's fine. It's just, man. I just pray she's fine. Oh, my good man.
Oh, he's calling.
This is the third time he's calling me.
I'll just speak now so you can know why he's calling you.
Daddy, it's me, Annabelle. Daddy, when are you coming home? I missed you, Daddy. You left without saying goodbye. I love you, Daddy. Please come home, I beg of you. Please.
I hope everything is fine. Just talk to me, Jake.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
Do you remember me?
No, I can't.
Okay, I'm Kitchen Nancy's friend.
Oh, hi.
Please, Amara, can I have a little time to discuss something with you?
No, I'm actually in a hurry. I need to get my seat.
Please. I wouldn't mind paying for your time and attention. Please. Okay? Okay. Let's get into the car. When my friend Nancy told me about you, I advised her to send you away. I shouldn't have, but because I thought you were a threat to her marriage. I was only trying to protect her marriage. I didn't know I misadvised her into the worst mistake of her life. By sending you away from her house. I'm sorry, it's all my fault. Please forgive me.
It's fine.
Nancy is a good woman.
Yes, she was a good woman. In fact, she is a good woman. She's a good woman. There is no way I will want to do anything to hurt her. I can't do a thing like that. She was a good woman to me.
Yes, Amara, I see it now. I see your pure heart. It's all my fault. Your absence in their life is more like causing harm than damage. Their marriage is no longer the same. Her home is wrecked. Her husband left her and their daughter. Yeah.
He left Annabelle?
Yes. For your sake, he couldn't forgive her. And he left the house. It's all my fault. None of this would have happened if I didn't advise my friend wrongly. I'm so sorry for the pain I've caused you. I mean, I'm sorry. Please, Amara, can you help my friend make things right again? Please. I mean, she's going through a lot. Things are no longer the same between she and her husband. A lot has happened ever since you left. Please, Amara. My knees are on the ground. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Please. I'm sorry. For everything.
Alona. Is it? You've gotten a job. But they were begging you here to come back. No, they said they're not counting any wrong against you. You're not coming back. Tell me, you got a job where? Are you company? Hey, you're with your stepbrother. Hey! Ha! Hey! Chimere mobia mao when they were lilanya. Chimere mobia mae. Hey! Chimere mobia mae when they were lilanya. Chimere mobia mae.
Dad,
How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for answering the call and coming back to work.
You called him?
Yes, ma'am.
I've been trying to reach you without success.
That is because I blocked you.
I noticed. That's why I used the gate man's phone to reach you.
Sorry. So sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know what came over me. Just tell me what to do. Anything at all. I promise I'm going to do it to make our marriage work. I promise I'm going to do anything at all. Please, just forgive me.
Okay.
I beg you.
It's alright.
Thank you. Anybody at all, even if he wants me to accept anybody, I'm going to accept anybody.
It's okay. That is gone.
Amara, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry the way I treated you. I know I was wicked. I was mean. I'm sorry. I was deceived by a friend and I started seeing you as a threat in my marriage. I'm so sorry. That was unwise. That wasn't the best decision. But like I said, it's not my fault. My friend deceived me. I'm sorry for hurting you with my words. Please just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm sorry. Please.
Amara. It's such a small world we live in. And you're a woman, okay? I believe in the future when you get married, you will understand where my wife is coming from. Alright, I just want you to take it easy. She's only being protective of our marriage.
Sir,
which is why I need to leave.
Nobody's talking about
I don't want to come in between your happiness and your union.
Nobody's talking about you coming in between our union and happiness. I'm only trying to make you understand something. My wife is not a bad person. You've been with us. You've been with us until she started feeling the way she felt. Okay? Just understand she's not like that. She's just protecting her family, protecting her husband. Alright? So, she has apologized on behalf of her. On behalf of my family. I'm also saying, please, we are sorry. Don't take her like that. Okay? Please.
Amara, forgive my mom. I know she hurt you, but please come back to us. I'm sorry that she hurt you.
Imaima, Edimayeneka, please forgive them. Remember the Bible says, to err is human and to forgive is divine. John 3:16.
That's not really John 3:16, but that's not why we're here. Let's just move ahead.
Okay.
Ma, I have forgiven you. But I cannot stay. Yes, I don't want to inconvenience you or anyone in this house. Just let me move on with my life and seek for jobs somewhere else. Please don't do this to me. I beg you. If you leave, it's going to be hard for me. I have a lot to learn from you. My daughter has a lot to learn from you. Please, I beg you in the name of God, please don't go. Stop crying, it's fine, I will stay. Yes, I will stay and try to help the best way I can while I'm here.
Yahweh.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Yahweh.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
God, thank you.
It's okay.
God, thank you.
Sorry.
She's intelligent. This girl is intelligent, yo. The joy of her mama. You are intelligent, you know, girl. Special girl. Amaka is intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Joy, yo. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. She dey intelligent, yo. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. Makaraka. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. She not the shake at all. Strong and mighty. Gallant soldier. When I can shake at all. Vigilante, for better security. Amaka wakwado sigo, akwado la fama. Any yawa for the road. She must arrest them. Any curriculum movement, yo. She must arrest them. She not dey take a life or cha. She's ready for any crime at all. Amaka wakwado. Bad people know they rest. Evil people know they tire. Every day na 40. One day na for the honor. These people know they tire at all. They may choose of a simple melody. She's intelligent, strong and mighty. Gallant soldier, when I can shake at all. She dey intelligent, strong and mighty. Gallant soldier, when I can shake at all.